Hey guys, in this video I'm going to create a BT21 Charecter Chimmy inspired nail art. I'm starting my manicure by applying a base coat. To draw Chimmy, I'm painting a half circle at the tip of my nail using yellow polish. Then I'm brushing the polish downward from both sides toward the tip to create Chimmy's cheeks. I'm repeating the same process a second time for full opacity. Next, I am drawing Chimmy's ears using brown acrylic paint. Instead of black, I am using brown to give this manicure a softer look. For Chimmy's face, I am painting a smaller white half circle inside the yellow one. Then I am brushing the white polish downward from the both sides toward the tip of my nail to create the cheeks. Using soft brown and pink polish, I am adding Chimmy's facial details including the eyes, nose and blush. For my accent nail, I am going with coquette inspired nail art because Chimmy's father is a diva. First I am applying this soft coral polish as the base. Then I am drawing a yellow bow on top. On my thumb, I am using the same coral polish as the base that I used on my ring fingernail. At first, I wanted to draw a paw over an abstract pattern on my thumbnail, but later I realized the abstract design didn't match the Chimmy's theme. So instead, I drew a gift box with a tiny paw print on the side. I drew the details of the gift box off camera to avoid a nail fill. To create the paw print, I am drawing an upside down heart shape with 4 tiny dots above it. Finally, I am sealing everything with a top coat to make the manicure shiny and long lasting. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to share this video with your fellow BT21 lovers and subscribe to my channel so you never miss an update. The next character is Tata.